Let's do kayak in New York.
Just sit down next to me. And then you just want to scoot yourself over and put your feet like me. Yeah, just elegant way to do that. You did it quite well. Here's your paddle. Can you show me how you would make a left turn if you needed to turn left? Okay, anybody in a red vest is there if you need help. Stay within the bounds of the red balls that are floating on the water.
Okay.
Turn center if you think you need to.
What a nice view. I love New York and Latinas.